Welcome back to the channel. Today I am standing on a Century 2200. This is a 2004 hull with a 2025 motor with about 40 hours. It's got a Yamaha 200 on the back, which is brand new. I'm going to start this tour out the same way I start all of them. We're going to work our way from the transom forward. Should be a quick and easy video today. On center consoles, you know, there's not a whole lot to go over, but I do like to include a good variety of boats on this channel, so I'm not excluding any kind of boater except for maybe sailboaters. You know, we do throw them in from time to time, but anyways, let's start here on the transom. All right, the first thing I'm going to show off obviously is going to be the 2025 Yamaha 200. That is beautiful. You love to see it. So the boat's ready to go for the summer. Absolutely. Swim ladder here that stows away. Obviously you have your transom door, and then you do have access to a filter here. So easy to work on, easily accessible. Back here across the transom, we do have a bench seat with a bench backrest, which is great. Not all of them have a bench seat or a little backrest here. Then underneath these cushions, you have your you have your live well, and it's a pretty big live well. I don't know how many gallons, but it is going to be in the ad. So check out the link in the description in the ad, or maybe the pinned comment. Maybe I'll pin it in the comments, and you can get the full ad. A little bit of extra storage here with a spare prop back there. There's your perk switch for your batteries. Little cup holders, little stowable cup holders. That's awesome, out of the way. Obviously you have your drains and then access into your bilge there, as well as a tape measure so you can measure your fish. Combing panels on the gunnels and rod storage underneath. Most of this stuff you are to expect on a center console. A lot of this is pretty standard stuff, but some of this is awesome, like this little drawer here underneath the bench seat. And in the center of the boat, you obviously have your captain's chair with rod holders across the back of the chair, as well as in the overhead, more rod holders, so you can bring all the fishing rods that you possibly own with spreader lights. And you have water hookup here with some extra rod storage. And then just across, again, you have a drawer here, another drawer. This is a separate drawer. Cooler storage underneath. And then let's move forward to what you're all here to see, the actual center console of the boat. We'll start in the overhead and then work our way down. This guy installed a rear view mirror, so if you are pulling anybody, you can look behind you and see them with a light to make sure everything stays lit down here. Nice and shaded. Obviously has a newer Lowrance navigation system, new VHF radio, a new Garmin display, a spot to hold your phone, new Yamaha tacks for your brand new 2025 Yamaha 200, and then obviously all of this is pretty self-explanatory. This can be the perfect family boat if you are a dad. Cup holders here. If you are a dad looking for a boat for the summer, something like this will absolutely do it. You can live out your fishing dreams. You can take this offshore. Deep gunnels, as you can probably tell, it comes up to about my hips, so there's not really any risk of falling overboard if you're going to bring your kids on board. It's going to feel a lot safer than, say, a flats boat. Up here there are cushions that cover up these benches, but you have fish boxes underneath each one, and over here as well. And then obviously access into your anchor locker here. Also, all of the electronic wiring goes through there into the mount for your trolling motor and pan up, so you can get a good view of the lines on this boat, the space on this boat. Like I said, it's gonna be a perfect family boat. And for the ladies who will not get on a boat without a place for a head, you do have this nice deep space here inside the center console where you can put a porta potty and have a place to go, so you can get some privacy on here. All right, that is going to do it for today's video. And since the trolling motor is not on the boat, I did want to talk about it a little bit. It is a Minn Kota iPower trolling motor, so it is GPS enabled. It has skyhook, so it'll lock into your GPS coordinates and keep you right there. So it is a very nice trolling motor. I wish it was here for the video, but it doesn't fit into this lift with it on. Anyways, it's a whole thing. As I'm walking away, I realized I forgot to mention that boat does come with a 2021 tandem axle trailer. So with all of that being said, buy the boat, just buy the boat.